It's John from the Biohack channel, and today I'll be looking at a brand new red light therapy panel from Heavenly Heat. I want to mention that when you use my discount codes and links, I receive a small commission. This doesn't cost you anything extra and greatly helps support future reviews. The Heavenly Max is the largest panel offering in Heavenly Heat's brand new LED panel lineup. It features a 396 lens dual chip array, positioning it in between the popular large and mega-sized panels in both features and price. The Heavenly Max features a unique design allowing it to be wall-mounted or slotted into the cabin wall of an infrared sauna. I'll dive into this feature later in the video. The Max comes with an industry-leading 5-year warranty and a $2,000 USD launch price. If you're interested in the Heavenly Max, use code ZEN to discount your order. Shipping is currently free in the continental US. Taking a closer look at the panel specs, the Max weighs in at 30 pounds, measuring 42.1 inches long by 14.2 inches wide. Looking at all three panel offerings from Heavenly Heat, the Max, Pro, and Mid models come in white or black color options. I'll be reviewing the Pro and Mid in upcoming videos, but I wanted to start with the Max first because its design allows it to be integrated into the wall of a sauna cabin. The Max comes with all the usual accessories. We've got the standoffs and hanging kit, the mounting hardware, door hanger, main pulley for adjusting hanging height, protection for those with sensitive eyes, and a user manual with detailed product information. Walking around the panel for a closer look, the 396 lens count gives the Max a larger treatment area compared to the standard 300 lens large panel size. The matte black finish features a thick, textured coating that protects against bumps and scratches, ensuring durability with a sleek modern look. It comes with a nice mix of modern and classic design elements. The rounded corners and textured black finish look amazing in person. The controller is located at the bottom of the panel, which makes it ideal for seated therapy in a sauna or chair. The simple button layout makes up for the controller placement if you plan to use standing. Using a minimalist layout for easy use, the plus and minus buttons on the left side of the controller add or subtract treatment time in minutes. The mode button on the right side of the controller toggles between 100% red, 100% near-infrared, or a mix of both. All buttons use plate spring switches with excellent tactile feedback and durability. The power button on the far right turns the panel on and off, with the last use setting stored in memory. Each LED bulb houses two 42mm chips, engineered for improved thermal droop resistance. This ensures consistent irradiance even in high heat environments like a sauna. Zooming into the beamer assembly, we can see one chip dedicated to red light and the other to near infrared. I'll take a closer look at the spectral output later in the video. The Heavenly Max is designed with a well-balanced waveform distribution, 25% 630 red, 25% 660 deep red, and 17% each for 810, 830, and 850 near-infrared. If you're interested in picking up the Max, check out the links in the description below. If you have a wider frame or prefer to do your treatments seated, the Max has a nice even blend of red and near-infrared light. This panel is engineered for a large even beam spread, allowing the light to blanket the treatment area without hot spots. Let's take a look at my optical test bench. I've got the IFO spectrometer hooked into a mini ITX computer, feeding a live display panel. This panel has 4 sets of wavelength peaks we can check for conformance within 3 nanometers plus or minus. And here's the live readout from all 4 sets of wavelengths. Each of the 5 advertised peaks shows up perfectly within the spectral slice samples using a y-axis value of 1 for improved resolution. Moving on to the irradiance measurements, I'll be using my VLP2000 thermopile to record data points from a wide range of distances. The surface of the panel is approximately 100 milliwatts per centimeter squared, so measuring at distance we can see how the inverse square law and beam spread affect the fall-off pattern. Setting up the first data point at 6 inches, the VLP2000 is perfect for multi-wave panels and requires no correction factor. This thermopile is factory calibrated with an offset base value, so all we have to do is divide the output value by pi to get milliwatts per centimeter squared. While we wait for the output value to stabilize, do me a quick favor. If you like this content and want to see more review videos, like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. And there's our final value of 45.86 milliwatts per centimeter squared at 6-inch distance. Using the first data point, we can view the irradiance as it comes off the panel with the trend line to clearly show the data visualization. As you can see, we get maximum crossover beams between 10 and 20 inches, with effective irradiance up to 36 inches from the panel surface. For those of you interested in the finer details, I measured EMF, ELF, and Powerdraw. At 12 inches or greater distance, the EMF and ELF are 0. If you're interested in picking up the Max with the matching sauna, discount code ZEN saves you $600 at checkout and helps support future reviews. So what makes this panel stand out from the competition? The unique design of the Heavenly Heat sauna allows the Max to slot into the cabin wall while keeping the electronics, heatsink, and fans at room temperature. This allows you to sit back and enjoy heat and light in a comfortable position, getting both treatments in at the same time. Guys, that's all I have for you today. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for the YouTube algorithm. If you're on Facebook, check out our group with over 17,000 members. It's a great way to share your self-improvement journey and learn valuable insights from the community.